Hi, I'm Bob with New Age Industrial. Happy to see you today. I want to go over a couple of our picking carts that we build for all the different picking and fulfillment. These are very simple, basic carts. I want you to be aware of that. We can take you to about any level you want to be at because we do extrude our own aluminum. This is a great sample of what we start out with, is a piece of billet like this. This is primary aluminum. We can turn around and shoot out about over 4 million pounds a year. Our specialty is build to order, build to exactly what your needs are. We're doing over 4 million pounds of aluminum a year. On this particular cart here, this is one we have in our Evolution series, but it does show the slanted shelves. This one's highly slanted for totes to go in there. For example, if you wanted a tote that you were going to try and you can see now with this tote here, it's easy to see the product and throw it in here. This is what the idea is, so you can see exactly what you are doing in this cart. You can put them on all three levels. You can see you have a 6-wheel configuration, 2 swivel up front, 2 swivel on the back, and a rigid caster in the center. This rigid caster in the center allows you to do just what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to spin this right on its axis because now I can do that when I get into a narrow aisle. If I didn't have that caster in there, I would have to go like this and walk the cart around in a corner and bring it to you. So you can see the benefit. Obviously, you've got some tight corners on some of these narrow aisle picks, but that's what we're trying to show you. You've got to stop here to hold your totes in place, but I want you to get an idea of a basic picking and fulfillment cart. Over here, I have this is got a little bit more energy in this cart. This is a fun one. Same idea, you can put a tote in here. Obviously the pitch is not as steep as what you have here. You do have several options. On this particular cart, I show options on here where you've got a grip for handles. You have a tray for the invoice stand. You have a writing stand here so you can make notes. You can put your RFID gun in there. But the key to this cart is it's just like that, but only it's working off of 5 wheels. And this cart is very easy to spin on its axis too. Again, making it easy for you to maneuver when you're going around corners and things like that. We also have an ergonomic handle on the end of this, a V shape. We can put that at any height you want. Thank you for your time. You can visit us at newageindustrial.com. We appreciate it. Remember, we're the aluminum guys. We're here to take care of your exact needs. Thank you.